Hello and welcome to What the F*** Just Happened Today, your essential guide to the daily shock and awe in national politics. I'm Joe Amditis. Let's get to it. It's Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. Welcome to day 1149. A Georgia judge threw out 6 charges in the Georgia election meddling case against Trump and his allies. The decision by Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee marks the first time any charges have been dropped in the 4 criminal cases against Trump. Most of the charges still stand, however, including claims that Trump and his team broke the law by trying to stay in power after he lost the 2020 election. The charges that were thrown out were related to Trump's efforts to pressure officials to violate election laws, like when he called Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger and told him to find enough votes for Trump to win. In his decision, Judge McAfee wrote that prosecutors could seek a re-indictment to supplement the 6 dismissed counts, but said the lack of detail regarding the essential legal elements of the charges did not give the defendants enough information to prepare their defenses intelligently. Moving on, the House of Representatives overwhelmingly passed a bill that would force TikTok's Chinese owner to sell the app or face a U.S. ban, with both parties saying it threatens national security despite the company's efforts to wall off U.S. data. The bill's fate remains uncertain in the Senate, and courts may say that it violates free speech, but some worry that the move could worsen tensions with China as the United States continues to go after Chinese tech companies. The White House has said it backs the bill and views it as a way to address data risks. And finally, both Trump and Biden won enough votes in their respective primary races to be their party's nominees in the 2024 election, setting up a rematch of the 2020 election. Biden had little competition, while Trump easily beat his GOP opponents, despite the ongoing criminal cases against him. The 2024 election campaign will be one of the longest in American history and the first presidential rematch in almost 70 years. And in the polls, the Financial Times and Michigan Ross say 63% of respondents blamed recent price increases on large corporations taking advantage of inflation. That number is up from 54% in November. 38% blamed the price increases on Democratic policies, and that number was unchanged from November. That's all for now. You can find the links and sources for all of these stories on the main website. And as always, visit whatthefjusthappenedtoday.com for the latest news and headlines. Until next time, I'm Joe Amditis.